All right, everybody, this is going to walk you through exactly how to get rid of this expired token. We're going to import the new HVAs. It's going to be the same process for DaVinci and Executioner if those apply to you as well. So you're going to see this message for however many markets you have up that have the software. So if you have 4, you're going to have to hit it 4 times. If you have DaVinci and Executioner and Presto, it's gonna be 12 times. Okay, so first things first, I am going to go to my tools workspace and I'm gonna pull that up, and you can see I've already done it. So let me just minimize this. All right, so you go to tools. First thing you have to do is go to remove NinjaScript assembly, and you're gonna have to remove your Executioner, your Presto, and your DaVinci files one at a time if you have those. If it's just Presto, just Presto. Now the file will say Presto underscore and it'll have a date. Okay, same thing with Executioner if it's a temporary token. Once you do that, in the email that is being forwarded to everybody, and if you don't have it from me yet, just email joe@targettrading.co. It'll look like this, okay? You're going to have links embedded in here for every file, okay? There's also how-to instructions. You are to follow the instructions. I made this video so you can pause it and go back and you can follow along. But before reaching out to me to help you with this, because I don't have enough time to help everybody, this video should suffice. Now remember, once you remove the NinjaScript add-on and you import a new one, you are going to have to restart NinjaTrader for it to work. Okay? Again, you will have to restart NinjaTrader. It might have to be a couple of times. But don't just reach out saying it's not working because you didn't restart Ninja. Follow these steps to a T. Okay? So, click on the links, you download them all. You're going to go to your tools, import NinjaScript add-on. Then you're going to see it should pull up your downloads folder. Pull them all up. This is what the old files look like. Here's the new files. Okay? So, double click on each one. You're going to have to do them one at a time. You'll see import successful. And you're going to get a pop-up that confirms that. Okay. Once that is imported, now would be a good time to save your workspace. If you don't know how to save your workspace, just click on Workspaces, hit Save. The one with green is the one that you're in. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to close your workspace. Yes.
Yes.
Close. And then shut down. If it says untitled, say no. Okay. So now I've shut down NinjaTrader. Now I'm going to relaunch NinjaTrader. I'm not going to show you guys my password, so hold on a second. All right. NinjaTrader is going to launch in a second here. Once you do that, if you didn't remove the indicator from your chart individually, it should work. But here's what we're going to do. So once it gets loaded, I'll show you. Let me move this where. Sometimes it takes longer to load in the morning. It's got to wake up. Okay. So now I got NinjaTrader loading. Let's pull up my NQ. I'm just going to do one chart. There's no need to do all of them. Right click. Hit indicator. You got your target trading folder. Make sure Presto is down here under the configured. Okay, so double click to add it if it's not. Make sure your time is selected based on your time zone and what time the market opens. Put in your name. You can remove the label if you want. Hit apply and hit OK. And it should work. Go to strategy. Got my executioner's already down there. I'm going to add DaVinci. Okay. Got executioner. Make sure your max risk parameters are selected. Here's where you can select break even or take profit. Your quantity button. Your name. Make sure you spell your name correctly. This is just in case you and somebody else share a machine ID. The name is the secondary check. And then if you hit enable, hit apply, and voila. There it is. Okay. So, once you are done with all those steps, save your workspace. You should see your HVAs. If you don't see HVAs, make sure you scrunch your chart to make sure we're not either severely above or below HVAs. So there you have it. Your executioner and DaVinci and Presto files should now all be working. If you need any assistance, first reach out in the flow room if you're not sure what flow is. It's the new way that we broadcast our trading rooms. So if you are not logging into flow, you should be. Reach out in there. We'll try to troubleshoot from there. If you can't, then reach out to me, Joe, at targettrading.co. Hope this helps.